Another one of our preferred hand exercises is with our 151, or our pinch tool. Similarly to the grip tool, or the 162, we need to make sure that the stabilizing arm is positioned correctly on any of the lettered positions around the face. I'm going to insert the stabilizing arm into letter B. As with the hand tool, you want to make sure that the shaft is unlocked so that you can rotate in order to line up correctly. Make sure the shaft is locked and you're now set up for pinch testing or pinch exercise. If you would like to increase or decrease the width of pinch, use your push pin. And you now see the wide range in which we can focus on that activity.